Welcome back to the Just Sawdust workshop. I'm working a lot of jobs outside the workshop at the moment, but sometimes I just feel the need to just be a bit creative and recycle something. So I had this piece of eucalyptus, which I think has a nice shape, and I took apart an old dishwasher just for some things I thought I could use in it, but then I found there were all kinds of, well, like this stainless steel stuff coming out of it. So what I'm going to try to do is make this together with this, with a light bulb in it. Well, you guessed it. Have this little piece of pipe coming out here, and finally making this whole thing into a little table light. So let's see if we can manage to do this. Yeah, it's eucalyptus, so I figured out how everything goes together. I think I do have all the parts, so I'm gonna put this piece of eucalyptus in some wax, and then we're going to try to assemble it. Let's see what will happen and how it looks like. So first thing in is the switch, which is a steel little ball on a piece of threaded rod, and it's kind of difficult to reach, but I wanted to do it like this, so thread coming out of there, but see if I can get this. My fingers are too big. Works. A little table light out of a piece of eucalyptus, a steel ball, and all parts out of a dishwasher. So the filter, the pipe, the tap where it was connected to the mains water, it's all parts of the dishwasher, including the electric cables, the switch, everything. And I think it's a pretty nice lamp. Maybe I'll find a smaller bulb for it. This is a bit big, but yeah, happy with it, and it actually works. So that's it for this week. Do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And I'll see you all in the next video. Até logo!